The DEWALT Laser Measure DW099S is designed to provide quick and accurate measurements up to 100 feet, making it an ideal tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With its capability to calculate area and volume, this device adds versatility to your measuring tasks, whether you are planning a renovation or simply rearranging furniture. The inclusion of Bluetooth technology allows for seamless connectivity with your smartphone, ensuring that your measurements are always at your fingertips. This laser measure is equipped with a digital tape measure feature that simplifies the process of capturing linear measurements with precision and ease. Its functionality extends to performing basic mathematical operations like addition and subtraction, enhancing its usefulness in various estimation tasks. Engineered with a compact and lightweight design, the DEWALT DW099S is easy to handle and transport, making it a practical choice for on-the-go measurements.